Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing how to check the controllability and observability for a given system. So we have a state variable model given, and we need to check the controllability and observability of the given system. So this is the example we have chosen. So it is x1 dot x2 dot is equal to 3024 x1 x2 plus 0 1 u. This is the state equation, and output equation is given as y is equal to 1 0 x. Okay, so we know that the state model is given by x dot is equal to ax plus bu, and output equation is y is equal to cx plus du. Okay, so this is the equation given here, and we can compare the coefficients here so that we can get the matrices A, B, C and D. So from this one we can find A as 3024 and B as 0 1 and C from the output equation, that is 1 0, and there is no D part present in this output equation, so D we can make it 0. So first we will see how we can check the controllability of the given system. So we can use Kalman's test for checking the controllability. So for checking the controllability using Kalman's test, we have a matrix that is QC. It is formed like this: B, then AB, then A square B, and it is repeating up to A raised to n minus 1 B, where n is the order of the matrix A. So here in this particular problem, we can see the order is 2 by 2. So n is equal to 2. So in the given question, n is equal to 2. So we have to form this controllability matrix QC. So since n is equal to 2, the last term should be A raised to n minus 1. So n minus 1 is 1, that means A raised to 1 B. So we have the matrix QC as B and AB. So this one we will be getting. So n is equal to 2. So we found the controllability matrix QC is equal to B AB. Now B we know from the question, A also is given. So we can directly form this matrix QC. So first we will be finding AB, that is product of matrix A and B. So matrix A 3024 multiplied with matrix B 0 1. So we will be getting the answer as 0 and 0 4. Now, what is QC? QC is B, AB. So, B is, so when you want to do it is B, AB. So, B is 0, 1 and AB we got it as 0, 4. So, the matrix will be getting it as 0, 0, 1, 4, 0, 0, 1, 4. Now, what we have to check is, if the given system is completely controllable, then the rank of this matrix should be equal to n. So then we can say the system is controllable. Now n is equal to 2 means the rank of this matrix QC should be n, then the system is controllable. How will you check the rank of a system? A rank of a matrix? Rank of a matrix is found by checking the determinant. So now in this particular case, if you want that the rank of this QC to be 2, then we have to take the determinant of QC and check that we should get the determinant should give a non-zero answer. Then you can say the rank is 2. So when you are taking the determinant and for an n by n matrix, and that matrix determinant gives you a non-zero answer, then the rank is n. If it is not, if it is equal to 0 means rank is not equal to n. So in this particular case, QC will be taking the determinant. So that is this one will be taking the determinant 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0 into 4 minus 0 into 1, you will be getting the result as 0. So the determinant of this QC is equal to 0 means our rank is less than 2. Rank is not equal to 2. So since the rank is not equal to n, the given system is not controllable. So we can see that the system is not controllable because the rank of QC matrix is not equal to n. Now the second case is we'll check for the observability. Will you check the observability we have a matrix for observability, that is Q0. We have C transpose, then A transpose, C transpose, then A transpose square, C transpose. It goes on like that. The last term is A transpose raised to n minus 1 C transpose. And n is what here in our case, n is equal to 2. So the last term is A transpose raised to n minus 1. N minus 1 means it is here in this particular case A transpose raised to n minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, so it will be, so this one will be our last term for A. So Q0 when you are taking, it will be C transpose first, then A transpose C transpose. Then we can't go for A transpose square because our last term should be A transpose. So we have only two terms here, C transpose and A transpose, C transpose. Now C is given in the question. From the output equation we got C. Then A is also given, that is from the state equation we got the value for matrix A. So the matrix A transpose will be taking, so we'll be getting it as 3, 2 and 0, 4. Then we can find, see, we need to find A transpose C transpose. So we are finding A transpose C transpose by, this is the transpose of matrix A and this is the transpose of matrix C. So that one you are multiplying 3, 2, 0, 4 into C transpose, that is 1, 0. We'll be getting the answer as 3, 0. Now we can form this observability matrix, that is Q0. We can make it as QO basically. So it is C transpose is 1, 0. Okay, so you will be writing C transpose as the first element, QO C transpose, then A transpose C transpose, we got it as 3, 0. So that is the matrix we are getting. So 1, 0, 3, 0. So this is the matrix. Now to check the observability in a similar way for checking the controllability, we need to check the rank of the matrix QO. So in this particular case, if the rank is equal to n, then we can say that the system is observable. Otherwise, if the rank is not equal to n, then the system is not observable. So like this, we'll be checking the observability of the matrix. Now 1, 3, 0, 0, we are taking the determinant to find the rank, whether it is equal to 2. So 1, 3, 0, 0, when you take the determinant 1 into 0 minus 3 into 0, you are getting the answer as 0. So in this particular case, the determinant is giving 0. It is not a non-zero answer. So that means the rank is less than 2. So in this particular case, the rank is less than 2. That means that the rank is not equal to n. N is 2. Rank is not equal to 2. So we can say that the given system is not observable. So this is how we check the observability using Kalman's test and controllability using Kalman's test. So we have to check to find the rank of the matrices and then check for the observability and controllability. So thank you for watching. Hope you understood the video.